Hi ma'am, Capex Beauty da amuk hana welcome tawzari. Ngasi share tawzariba product sing se aigi uring breakout to adudo phahanba product sing ne aduga sigi product sing sina ahan bagi oina mi loimak ki uring any type of uring phani haibidi nate but yam ka henba breakout na tradi sigi product sing se consistent oina use tawda adum khara mating pangadra hana khalle ahan bagi oina uring thungba se agi experience da the most important step is akhoi gi skin se clean oina thamba se sisine aduga clean oina thamba se I always recommend double cleansing gi already agi channel se da video yawani please check that aduga ngasi aina share tawzai product animak su adugi review ta yawani Next, maru orise face wash ne aduga if you are double cleansing water based or face wash ma seasonable se darkar ne aigi favorite se sigi Innisfree green tea foam cleanser se sisine sise aigi favorite ne sigi review already aigi channel sida yarabani please check that self ki anoba cleanser se si ma season ye sisu yam nungaye alternate oina mostly mornings ta season because it's very mild aduga sigi cleanser sida niacinamide which helps in oil production and controlling our acne sise yawe so I really like this as well aduga next another favorite is Cetaphil gi oily skin cleanser se if you have sensitive skin or dry skin or normal or any other kitang kano oily skin na tabo oi targadi moigi gentle cleanser haina amalapane adudo you can try that I Cetaphil gi products say I really like it hadi moi skin da admiam friendly oye Next step say cleansing tower matungda toner ne but I usually skip toner but if I use it sige Tony Moly gi green tea se I use it sige so already review arbani please check that but sigi toner se ma se oil kitang yawani hadi plant extract kumba adudo if you want to avoid that you can aduga any other toner adudo adum seasonable yaye Next step say aina seasonable say treatment khara season aye personally agi wakhal di any skin concern gi solutions say retinol or retinoid they help a lot but sometimes akhoi gi retinol seasonable skin say am dry oigan mane so aduna skin se the hydration and moisturization pibusu darkar ne aduna I use 3 treatments Sigi manungda ahan bada Pixie Glow Tonic se sigi su already review yawne sigi Glow Tonic sina kidogi hargan akhoi skin gi upper layer sing se adu exfoliate torga clean away tawdo adu tawe which I prefer next sigi Innisfree gi green tea seed serum se season ye sigi se akhoi skin se calm ohen bada yam mateng pang hen khalle aduga akhoi skin da wat pa hydration da adu sisina phasana piye aduna if your skin is dry or dehydrated I would recommend sigi green tea gi Innisfree gi serum say you to give it a try aduga green tea haiba ingredient say pimple thungboda su it helps a lot it reduces the pimples so I gi wakal da sigi Innisfree gi say it's a win-win situation aduga especially if you have normal to oily skin adu tardi sigi say it will suit your skin very well next use the we have a treatment say I would suggest you use a retinol say nungti taibadi I won't suggest so maybe ahamba horopakanda you can use once a week adugo retinol say khwaidagi yamdaba percentage to adudagi hana start to bio because I say it's not even 1% hadi skin se da use to targadi you can increase the percentage but I really like say eclat ke say I really like this one aduga khwaidagi maru oiba step se akhoi skin se moisturize oiba se sisine uring thungaga moisturization tawdaba se that is one of the main concern to get your skin worse but maru ori se moisturizer karma season agadoino adudune ai wakhal dadi breakouts tawa matam dadi am lightweight oiba moisturizer season agadabane aduga maru ori se non comedogenic haiba word se label oiba moisturizer to please use that adu oi targadi akhoi gi pores so clog toroi pores clog toraga bacteria aduna adu da chasalakan akhoi gi pimple breakout to tholapagi main concern amane ahanbada simple gi hydrating light moisturizer se yam lightweight oye aduga it doesn't cause any breakouts aduga skin se yam gentle oye so se adum seasonable yani Next ta minimalist ki oat moisturizer se sisima siznaye. Moina si moisturizer se acne and oily skin gine na hai, but personally I di yang kanna it's not my favorite aduna I use other ones. But then again si se personal choice ne I di magi texture se kitang haina ba watle. Next ta sigi plum gi green tea gi moisturizer se sisu yam nungaye sigi se nungdang da tainaba moisturizer ne, but ma se glycolic acid yawe just like Pixi Glow Tonic to. So what I do is kaygumba Pixi Glow Tonic to I use 2 times in a week, aduga nungdang do kaygumba Pixi Glow Tonic season na targadi I follow it up with this moisturizer aduga akoy skin se glows in the morning, so you can give it a try. Next aina sizinajaba moisturizer se sigi elf ki super hydrate moisturizer sine sigi se squalene haiba ingredient to yawe, which gives our skin all the moisture that it needs. Sigi se maso again I not my favorite texture, but skin dadi maso am nungai haidi it feels good aduga ayuk to su it feels really good. Sigi moisturizer se ay nungdang da sizinaye only because maso kitang nap lawo da adumaina kitang tawe, but it doesn't cause any breakouts. Aduna if retinol gumba sizinawa oy taragadi retinol tends to dry your skin. Aduna sigumba yam fully moisturizing oiba moisturizer ama sizinawa se darkar ne. Aduga I all-time favorite Neutrogena Hydro Boost se this is my favorite. Sigi se I wakal dadi uring thungba or yam severely uring thungba mina su adum chana ga dra haina khalle. See review so already I channel sida yarabane moisturizer gi favorites ta. Please check that if you are interested. Last but not the least, khwaidagi maruoiba singi marakta ama se sunscreen taibusine aigi motto di if you see sunlight please use sunscreen. Just like atopa steps sing do akoina careful oina product choose tobudo, just like that sunscreen siju am careful oina choose togadamne if you are having breakouts or acne issue. Lightweight oiba aduga watery texture oiba do aduduna best ne, because it's not going to clog your pores again. Atopa sunscreen sin na targadi and aduga breakouts like targadi, please make sure yam thaba sunscreen haidi texture yam thaba do adudo please avoid that. Ngasi aina share tawjiba product sing se yamna severe oiba acne condition da adugi maktinate aduga treatments like salicylic acid, niacinamide, benzoyl peroxide adugumado aigi skin dadi I don't use it because I want to boring do am kana severe oiba natabnina. Ngasi kiti sida la shin karage. Thank you for watching. Bye.